Teachers, if classroom management is the thing keeping you up at night, this video is for you. I'm not here to sell you a complicated system that you'll abandon in a couple of weeks. In the next few minutes, I'm walking you through a 30-minute, no-nonsense classroom management system that actually holds up once students walk through the door. This is the same framework experienced teachers rely on because it's simple, consistent, and realistic. Let's get it done. Step 1, choose 3 to 5 rules. This step takes 5 minutes, and it's where most teachers overthink things. You only need 3 to 5 classroom rules, not 10, not a paragraph, 3 to 5. Your rules should be simple, clear, and easy to enforce every single day. This is not the time for creative wording. This is about clarity. Keep it simple and positive. Here's the rule of thumb. If a student can't repeat your rules from memory by the end of the first week, you have too many. Strong examples. Be respectful, be responsible, be ready to learn. That's it. These rules cover behavior, work habits, and learning, all without micromanaging. The key is to not just give these rules, but to explicitly explain and model what they look and sound like. Write them down, post them, teach them explicitly the first week, 5 minutes, done. Now let's move to step 2, behavior tracking. This gets 10 minutes. Here's the truth. If you don't track behavior, you're relying on memory, and memory is unreliable when you're teaching all day. You need a simple way to spot patterns, not perfection. I recommend a basic tracker. Student names on the side, dates or behaviors across the top, quick tally marks or notes. This is not for public shaming. This is for you. Print it. Put it in your teacher binder or on a clipboard. Use it consistently. When a parent meeting, admin conversation, or support referral comes up, you're not guessing. You have data. 10 minutes, system set. Step 3, consequence ladder. Now we're building the backbone of your system. Not every behavior deserves the same response, and students need predictability. That's how trust is built. This step takes 10 minutes and saves you hours of emotional energy later. Here's a solid traditional structure. Level 1, verbal reminder or redirection. Level 2, written warning. Level 3, loss of privilege. Level 4, parent contact. The key is not the exact steps, it's consistency. You don't negotiate consequences in the moment. You follow the ladder, write it down, teach it, stick to it. When students know what's coming, behavior improves. Last step, 5 minutes, positive reinforcement. This is where some teachers either go overboard or skip it entirely. You don't need a prize store or elaborate rewards. You just need to acknowledge effort and growth. Choose 2 or 3 options you can manage all year. Verbal praise table or group points, quick positive notes or messages home. That's enough. The goal isn't bribery. The goal is reinforcing expectations you already taught. 5 minutes, done. That's it. 30 minutes total. Let's recap. 5 minutes, rules. 10 minutes, behavior tracking. 10 minutes, consequences. 5 minutes, reinforcement. That's 30 minutes. You now have a complete classroom management system. If you want this entire system done for you with ready-to-print parent scripts, realistic scenarios and solutions, a custom GPT classroom controller generator, and prompt for solutions in seconds. Grab my Teacher Survival and Success Classroom Management and Planning Toolkit. The link is in the description. Set the system now so you can actually maximize your instructional time for what truly matters, teaching and learning. Let's do this. See you in the next video.